Meaning of greasy spoon.
Greasy spoon.
Greasy spoon.
Greasy spoon.
Greasy spoon. The term greasy spoon is commonly used to describe a small, inexpensive restaurant or diner that serves mainly fried and fatty foods. The name derives from the often greasy appearance of the cooking utensils and surfaces in such establishments. Despite its negative connotations, many people enjoy greasy spoon restaurants for their home-style cooking and affordable prices. The atmosphere is often casual and unpretentious, with friendly service and a sense of community among customers. While not typically known for gourmet cuisine, greasy spoon restaurants remain a beloved staple of the American dining landscape.